Good morning, students. We can continue the exercise 14.3. Next question number 6. The following table gives the distribution of students of two sections according to the marks obtained by them. So, two sections are there, section A and section B. Okay, so marks are distributed here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Here also in section B, same marks distribution is there. Okay, and frequency is given here 3, 9, 17, 12, 9 for section A and 5, 19, 15, 10, 1 for section B. These are the data given in this question. What is this question? Represent the marks of the students of both the sections on the same graph by two frequency polygon. So by using frequency polygon method, we have to represent these two sections data in a single graph. That is the method. In a single graph, we have to represent these two. Very easy. Directly we can draw. Only the difference is here we are not drawing bar graph or histogram, whatever it is. Here we are drawing frequency polygon. This is very easy. Okay. Comparing to other two, it is a little bit easy. From the two polygons, compare the performance of the two sections. So comparison, you can write it in your own words. Okay, so first I am writing here 0 to 10. Class mark I am writing. Class mark means equation is there, upper class plus lower class divided by 2. So which is the upper class here? 10 is the upper class and lower class 0. So 10 plus 0, 10 divided by 2, 5. Again 20 plus 10, 30. 30 by 2, 15. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 by 2, 25. 40 plus 30, 70 by 2, 35. 50 plus 40, 90 by 2, 45. So after this marks, section A, section B, I have marked here. So section A, after this marks, I have to mark class mark. This is the equation for finding class mark. Next frequency, I have written the same values here. Here also written. Okay. Next for class section B, marks written here. Class mark, same intervals are coming here. So the class mark also should be here. Same 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Same values 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Frequency also written here, same values. Okay. So next we can write here taking class marks on x-axis. So this class marks we can take it on the x-axis. We have to draw the frequency polygon. That is why I written class mark. Okay. So this one we can take it on the x-axis and this frequency we can take it on the y-axis. This is written here. Okay. So we can draw the frequency polygon by using this method. Okay. So by just like we written, we are taking this class mark. What are the values? 5, 10, 15 and it is going like this. So I am taking 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, whatever it is. You can means this is 20, 25, 30, 35. You can write all these values. Okay. And here we are representing frequencies. If you are checking, some of the values are, most of the values are the multiples of 3. Correct. So I am taking it as 3, 6 multiplication table of 3 values I am writing here. Highest value, if you are checking here, 19 is the highest value. So till 21 I written. Okay. So if you are drawing in the graph paper, it will be more clear. So next, first value if you want to check. Here the class mark comes here 5. Corresponding frequency 3. So the class mark is 5. Corresponding frequency 3. 3 comes here. This is 3. I marked one point here. Okay. Next class mark is 10 to 20. So 15, 15 corresponding the value 9. 15 corresponding the value 9. Put one dot here. Next 25 corresponding the value 17. So 10, 25 same length. Here we have to mark 17. I am marking here. This is almost 17. Next 12. Just like this, we have to mark all these values. So next I am drawing the frequency polygon. First point is this one and the last point is this one. Correct? But first of all you should join first point to second point, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. So till here we will get. So what is the last value? First value is 0. Sorry, 0 to 5. So before this one, minus 5 is the first value. Correct? So you should write this minus 5 also because after 0 first value is 5, so you have to represent minus 5 here. After that we should join the first value to this minus 5. Okay, and again this is the last point. After that, after this 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 we are writing here. Next one is 55. So corresponding value, this 55, this last point you should join to 55. Okay, just like this we can draw the section B also. Section B, 5 value is 5. So 5, almost 5 comes here. Point, mark a point here. Next 15, 19 here. So 15 comes here, 19 comes here. Mark 1 point here. Next 25, 15. 25 comes here. 15 comes around here. This is the 15th point. Mark here. Next 35, 10. So 35 here, 10 almost here. Mark. Okay. So mark all these points. After that 1 comes here. 45, 1. So I am marking 1 here. So next join all these points and it should be sharpened lines. Okay. After that this is the first point. So join to minus 5. This is the last point. So join to 55. That is the method. Okay. So by using this method we can draw the frequency polygon graph. So this type of graph we can call it as frequency polygon graph. First you learn about the bar graph, then histogram. Now it is frequency polygon graph. Okay. Next. Second part of the question is we have to compare these values, right? So we can write here, it can be observed that the performance of students of section A, this is section A, is better than the students of section B in terms of good marks. So highest value comes in section B, but if you are comparing all the marks, most of the marks are good comes in section A. So we can compare the all the values and we can write it in a comparison. You can write it in your own words, but it should be meaningful. Okay,